Okay, the next oil I'm going to talk about is Panaway. I love the smell of Panaway. Panaway is also a blend. It has helichrysum, wintergreen, clove, and peppermint. And I think it smells wonderful. I smell, the wintergreen is a strong smell in here. I just love it. I think it smells great. This is great for lots of things. One of the main things it's great for is lots of aching, hurting, things that are feeling inflamed, or things that are swollen due to sprains or injuries, running, that kind of thing. So it's really good for all different kinds of aching and hurting places anywhere on your body. It's also helpful. I use it when my head is really throbbing, on my temples and behind my neck, and then I apply peppermint on top of that, and that's a really wonderful combination. It supports healthy circulation. Helichrysum, which is one of the oils that's in Panaway, has been studied by European researchers for different things, improving circulation and helping to regenerate tissue. So it's really good for different ligaments and those kinds of aches and pains, especially for your really active people that have joints that tend to ache and be hurting from a lot of exercise. And then also from just like your elderly people, also it's very helpful with. I have a friend that drives constantly for her job, and she has lots of aches and pains in her back. So putting Panaway, keeping it in her car, putting it on her back is a lifesaver. It allows her to drive comfortably from place to place for her job. I use this on my oldest daughter. She has a lot of aches and pains in her legs from growing and getting bigger. And so I layer lavender and then Panaway and then peppermint on top of that. When she wakes up in the middle of the night, she will wake up in the middle of the night crying, complaining of aching, very uncomfortableness in her legs, and she just cries. Before I started using oils, I tried different things, and she was so restless all night, and we never really got good relief. When I started using oils, I started layering the lavender and then the Panaway and then the peppermint, and within 5 minutes she is asleep and so comfortable. I've tried different combinations, but the Panaway is really the key in this combination, and she specifically asked for it. She has learned and knows that this is what makes her legs, and now that she's a little bit bigger, also her arms have a tendency to ache a lot, and so she knows that the Panaway is what really helps her with that aching, growing in her legs and her arms. So Panaway is a wonderful, Panaway, obviously, listen to the name, Panaway is a wonderful one for your aching, hurting body.